Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Murf AI on mobile step by step. So if you want to create AI voiceovers directly from your phone for YouTube videos, TikToks, Reels, podcasts, or social media content, yeah, Murf AI makes the whole process surprisingly simple. First, open the Murf AI app on your phone if it's available for your device, or just use the Murf AI website from your mobile browser. Both methods work for creating voiceovers on mobile. Now sign in with your email or Google account. So once you log in, you'll be able to access your dashboard, projects, and saved voice files. Next, tap the Create Project button and open a blank VoiceOver project. This is where you'll type or paste the text you want the AI to read. Now enter your script into the editor. This can be YouTube narration, TikTok captions, podcast scripts, tutorial text, or almost anything you want converted into speech. You can now import the downloaded audio into apps like CapCut, Canva, VN Editor, or other mobile video editors for your final project. One quick tip: shorter scripts usually process faster on mobile devices compared to very large projects. So, if the app feels slow, try splitting long scripts into smaller sections. And that's basically how to use Murf AI on mobile from start to finish. After a little practice, creating realistic AI voiceovers directly from your phone becomes much faster and easier.